So after 5 years of looking, I not only have a Wagoneer, I have two. That's right, about a week ago, I purchased this Wagoneer from a lovely couple here in Alabama. It's in great shape, very little rust. It's got a 258 inline 6, 727 automatic transmission. It's a 1980. It's got the aluminum slot wheels, and it's got the Quadra-Track in it, which I'm not a fan of, but I'll change that out. And then looking for a tailgate and some glass, I had a gentleman from Mississippi offer me this one. And not only did he offer it to me at an affordable price, he actually put it on a trailer and brought it to me the next day and unloaded it for me. People are great down here. It's got this awesome old worn winch bumper on it. I'm not sure if this is a factory, or not a factory item, but a Wagoneer specific item or a universal one. But it's pretty cool. It's got the egg crate or booby grill on it. Now there's no engine, but it does have the Turbo 400 transmission, and it's also Quadra-Track, and all that's still in there with the drive shafts. But the good part is, mine has the Chrysler 20 rear axle. This one is Dana 44's front and rear, and they look like they've been rebuilt recently. It's got all new brake lines, new brake hoses, a bunch of new electronics in it. It has the 100-mile-an-hour speedo, because you know these things are speed demons. It has a little bit better looking steering wheel than the one that mine has. Mine's got that ugly Kleenex box looking thing. A perfect tan dash. And lots of little odds and ends. It's got some more of the chrome trim that I'd wanted to put on mine. There's more inside the vehicle as well. It has the steely hubcap wheels, which is what I wanted for mine. A good tailgate with glass in it. It's got a good tan back seat, and I'm not sure, mine is red. I think I might want to go to this tan or brown style, because the end game for mine is to make it look like an old Park Rangers vehicle. So I think that going with the brown interior might stick a little bit more true to that, because in the end I'm planning on painting mine green. Now this one does have some drawbacks. It does have some rust in it, but it's not terrible. The thing that this thing has that's bad is these really bad dents. There's one there. There's also one up here on the roof. Nasty guy. But I mean, it's got an extra roof rack. It's got extra door handles. It's got the 3-piece bumpers, which I'll probably steal and put on mine instead of the ugly 1-piece that came on the 80s. But yeah. Oh, and the best part is, until I have the money to paint it, all the parts that I take off of this are the same color as mine. What kind of craziness is that the guy who messages me a week later when I say I need parts has one, wants to bring it to me, and it's the same color? Well, that's going to wrap it up here today. Keep checking back. I'm going to keep posting videos. There's not a lot of good Wagoneer material on YouTube. So I'm going to try to post everything I do. That way there's some information out there. I plan on doing a lot with AC, interior stuff, body stuff. I'm going to be doing an axle conversion. I'm going to be putting in a different transfer case, doing lockout hubs. Just a lot of the information I have trouble finding on YouTube, I plan on putting up. So just stay tuned, and I'll keep you guys in the loop. Have a good one.